In this lesson we will focus on finding below Arabic alphabets in Quran.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. So today we are finding letter Meme, and Anabia and Isa are helping me. Okay, let's go. So Anabia, are you ready? There are going to be many memes in this line, okay? Every time I bounce on the meme, you have to say meme. Okay, the meme looks like this. The meme can hide like this. The meme can hide like this. And it's called letter Meme. Okay, Anabia, let's go. Anabia, let's go. Let's go.
Meme.
Excellent.
Meme.
Yes, good job.
Meme.
Excellent. Meme. Excellent. Good job. Isa, are you ready to find more than one meme in this line? Now, Isa, you have to be so quick because I'm going to go like that. Okay, are you ready? I'm going to go really fast. I'm going really fast. I'm going really fast.
Meme.
Good job.
Meme.
Good job.
Meme.
Good job. Now I'm going to trick you also, okay?
Meme.
Tricked you.
I mean not meme. I mean not
meme. Okay. So now I'm going to trick you, okay? Don't think I'm going to help you or I'm going to bounce many times with the meme. Anabi, are you ready for me to trick you? Okay, don't get tricked, okay? When the meme comes, you have to say meme. If I just go do like this, that does not mean that is meme, okay? Let's go, Anabia. Let's go. Let's go. Anabia, say something.
Meme.
Excellent. Keep looking. Keep looking.
Meme.
That's right. Anabia, say something.
Meme.
Yes, that is the meme. That is tricky meme, okay? And that's the meme. Okay, good job. Okay, I have one more student with me and I have Rayan with me. Rayan, look here. We are working on letter meme. Letter meme looks like this. Okay, and guess what? Now I was tricking the kids. I was telling them to find letter meme for me, okay? So this time I am going to try my... Okay, first let me play with Isa, okay? Let's see who finds the meme in this last line, okay? I'm going to make this last line bigger. So this last line is going to be even more tricky, okay? Even more tricky. Okay, now let's go first, Isa, okay? Isa is going to count all the memes for me, okay? Okay, Isa, let's go. I'm not going to give any hint. I'm just going to keep going. I'm not going to bounce on the meme many times this time, okay? Okay, let's see. Let's go on. We are only working with Isa now. Okay, Isa, let's go.
Meme.
Okay. Meme? Okay.
Meme.
No, not yet.
Oh. Meme.
Okay, good job. Okay, good. Okay, let's see. Let's check Anabia. Anabia, let's go. Okay, and I'm going to tell you who did the best, okay?
Meme.
Okay. So that, yeah, so that was meme. Okay, so Anabia counted. Anabia, you counted one meme for me, okay? Okay, let's go check. Rayan, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go see. Okay, let's go bouncy ball. And now this is Rayan. Okay, Rayan, let's go.
Meme.
Meme here?
Yeah.
No meme here.
Meme.
Yes, meme. Okay, I'm gonna check Isa one more time. Okay, Isa.
Meme.
Okay, kids, so I checked everybody. Everybody found this meme for me. Good job. You guys found this meme for me. You guys found the tricky meme.
I didn't say that.
But you guys did not find one meme for me. That's one meme is missing.
I know.
You know? Okay, Rayan, let's go, Rayan. Let's try with Rayan.
Meme.
There's no
No.
meme here. One more time.
It was on the first one.
The first line
Yeah.
here?
Yeah.
Okay, that's not meme because that's got a dot on top. Okay, guess what? Come on, Anabia. Anabia will find it from you. Anabia, in the last line, I'm going to give you too many hints. Okay, Anabia? In the last line, there is this big meme, but it looks very tiny and it's purple in color, like lilac in color. Okay, Anabia, come on, let's go. Let's go, Anabia. Let's go, Anabia. Let's go. Guys, you kept missing this meme. That's a meme. Okay.
I've been saying that's a meme. I've been saying that's a meme.
Well, actually, Isa did say it in the beginning, but when I checked Isa for the second time, I wanted to see if he did actually. Yes, Isa, you did say it when your first turn. You did say that.
Actually, I didn't think there was a very tiny little meme.
Yeah.
I thought the blue dot and also
Yeah.
the curl is like the meme, but it's not.
Okay, yeah, but now you guys know that I'm gonna make it so big, okay, and I'm gonna show it to you.
Yeah.
Okay, so the meme can hide
Yeah.
as this is a meme. Okay, now in the blue. Now if you look here, I'm gonna show you another meme. That's a meme also, and this is a meme. Okay. Now it's gonna come, sometimes it's gonna come, okay, like this. Then we have to know that the meme can also come like this. What happened to this meme? It's the same meme, just became more tiny. Okay, just became tiny.
More smaller with cover in.
Yeah, see, it's the same meme, just more tiny. Okay, good job.
More tiny than
Yeah, yeah, it looks like an ant. Okay, so now we